Come to share with you two more blank bare journals that I've put together. These are exactly like the ones I done the other day. They are cardstock covers. They both measure 8 1/4 by 5 1/2. They've got one signature. There's 100 pages in each one. That's 100 pages front and back. The covers have been decorated, and the inside is just digital papers, digital design papers, coffee dyed papers, etc. And I'll show you. I'll do a quick flip through. The link for these will be below, and there will be more blank journals up in my shop in the next few days and next week as well. So let's start with this one. So this is a lovely designer cardstock, and it's been sewn onto some white cardstock, so it's nice and thick. Done some layering here. We've got the butterfly, we've got this lovely image here which has been sewn onto some coffee dyed paper, the word cherish, some bling, eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure, and I will just do a quick flip. So the insides are just the white cardstock, and this is just some digital paper. We've got some doilies, there's edge punching, there's paper bags, there's book page, this is from the old design shop, small book page, some lined papers, plain coffee dyed papers, digital paper, edge punching, doily, envelope, and it's opened at the side so that you can tuck something. And the other side of the window envelope, yeah, it is a window envelope, the other side of it is a window. So yeah, these are great starter journals. You can do pretty much what you like with them. Love some of the images on these pages, they're so nice. The side of the paper bag. That's the window part of the envelope. The other side of the paper bag. So that is that one, that is Cherish. I'll just put that to one side. And then we have Dream. Again, same size, all the same kind of thing on the front. Let's do a flip through. I think I've created a knot. Yes, I have. Oh, have I? Yes, I have. Oh dear. There we go. I think I just pulled that a little bit too quick. Come on. There we go. So it's this designer cardstock sewn onto white cardstock, and here we go. Again, it's just digital papers, coffee dyed papers, envelope. You can stamp, stencil, write on it, add photos. It's endless what you can do. Love the markings on this paper, on this, isn't that pretty? So easily pleased when it comes to coffee dyed papers. So like I said, I love this butterfly, it's so pretty. Like I said, the link to my shop will be below. And for those of you that I do get messages saying, oh, can't find you on Etsy, I do not use Etsy, I have my own website. I've done that well over a year ago. In fact, it will be a year on the 20th of June because of the high fees on Etsy. I just pay a one-off fee now on my website. Obviously got to do a little bit of hard work myself, but I don't mind. So there we go, that's the journals. The links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.